Fonetica limbii române. Romanian Phonics. Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this episode, we're going to look at litera J. Litera J. Letter J. The name of this letter in the Romanian alphabet is J or J. It is pronounced like S in measure. Measure. The target vocabulary for this lesson is jucărie, judecător, japonez. Now, let's see, what do these words mean? Jucărie, jucărie, toy. Japonez, japonez, Japanese, man. Judecător, judecător, judge. Now, let's put these words into sentences. Bunica i-a cumpărat o nouă jucărie. Bunica i-a cumpărat o nouă jucărie. The grandmother bought him a new toy. Am întâlnit un japonez pe stradă. Am întâlnit un japonez pe stradă. I met a Japanese man on the street. Judecătorul l-a condamnat la 2 ani de închisoare. Judecătorul l-a condamnat la 2 ani de închisoare. The judge gave him a 2-year prison sentence. And now you know how to pronounce words correctly in Romanian. Make sure you don't miss the next episode. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and also share and like this video. We would love to hear from you. Let us know in the comment section below what other kinds of Romanian language lessons you would like to see on this awesome channel. Until next time, this is Mihnea, your Romanian language teacher. Salut!